Have you ever wondered how websites become so interactive and visually appealing? The answer lies in front-end development. From the layout of a page to the animations that bring it to life, front-end developers are the architects of user experience. They ensure that websites are not only aesthetically pleasing but also user-friendly and engaging. It's about transforming static designs into dynamic interfaces, breathing life into ideas and making them accessible to the world. Think about your favorite websites or apps. What makes you return to them? All these elements are the handiwork of front-end developers. In essence, front-end development is the art of crafting digital experiences. At the heart of front-end development lie three core technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These languages form the backbone of every website, dictating its structure, style, and interactivity. Firstly, we have HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a web page, providing the basic structure. Next comes CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. If HTML is the skeleton, then CSS is the clothing and makeup. CSS styles the HTML elements, dictating their appearance, including colors, fonts, layout, and responsiveness. Finally, we have JavaScript, the language that brings interactivity to websites. JavaScript allows developers to create interactive elements, handle user input, and make web pages respond to user actions. These three technologies work in harmony to create the websites we interact with daily. Mastering these core technologies is the first step towards becoming a proficient front-end developer. As websites become more complex, developers have created tools and frameworks to streamline the development process. Front-end frameworks and libraries are collections of pre-written code, components, and guidelines designed to simplify common development tasks. Frameworks like React, Vue.js, and Angular offer a component-based approach to building user interfaces. For styling, libraries like Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS offer pre-built CSS classes and components that accelerate the styling process. These libraries help developers streamline the styling process, ensuring consistency across different pages and devices. Understanding and utilizing these frameworks and libraries can significantly boost a developer's productivity and efficiency. They allow developers to focus on building unique features and functionalities, rather than reinventing the wheel for common tasks. The choice of which framework or library to use depends on the specific project requirements and the developer's preferences. Experienced developers carefully evaluate the needs of each project and choose the tools that best align with those requirements. Section 4. Tools of the Trade. Front-end developers rely on a suite of tools to write, organize, and debug their code. Code editors like Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text are essential tools for writing code. They provide features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and debugging tools that make coding more efficient. Version control systems, particularly Git, are crucial for tracking changes in code and collaborating with other developers. Git allows developers to keep track of different versions of their code, revert to previous states, and work together on the same code base without conflicts. Browsers and their built-in developer tools are indispensable for testing and debugging websites. These tools provide insights into how a website performs in different browsers and devices, helping developers optimize the user experience. Understanding how to use these tools effectively is crucial for front-end developers. Section 5. Your front-end journey begins. Embarking on the journey of learning front-end development can be an exciting and rewarding experience. Start by mastering the fundamentals of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Practice consistently, build small projects, and gradually increase the complexity as you progress. Once you have a good grasp of the basics, explore different front-end frameworks and libraries like React, Vue.js, or Angular. Learn how to use Git for version control. Start by learning the basic Git commands and gradually explore its more advanced features as you become more comfortable. Most importantly, practice consistently. The more you code, the more you learn, and the more confident you become in your abilities. So dive in, embrace the challenge, and start building your own corner of the web.